नर तन तुझको मिला, जाने कितने जन्म के बाद ये नर तन तुझको मिला. Hold it there. जाने meaning न जाने. You and I don't know after how many births. Living as a dog, living as a cat, living as an elephant, living as this, living as that, or living in lower human life forms. After so many births in your past lifetimes, you have been given this one birth that exposes you to divine culture, divine knowledge, divine traditions. जाने कितने जन्म के बाद ये नर तन तुझको मिला, हो न जाए कहीं ये बर्बाद जो नर तन तुझको मिला. So to be on track, ऋषि दयानंद in the Satyarth Prakash is saying, अरे सबको जाने, अरे सबको जाने, सबको जाने, सबको जाने अंतर्यामी, घट घट वासी सबका स्वामी. जय ऋषिवर. Sing it your style, Amrita. Sing it the style you sang it the other week. Go again. सबको जाने अंतर्यामी. ओ सबको जाने अंतर्यामी, घट घट वासी सबका स्वामी. Watch me. Low music. There's someone called Antaryami who dwells in you and dwells in me and dwells in him and dwells in her and dwells in it and dwells in us and dwells in them and dwells in that solar system and that one and that galaxy, and he's the uniting thread, and he lives in all and he knows all. Are go sabko jaane antaryami. He knows everybody, everything. Go. Jai Rishwar, Jai Jai Swami. Jai Rishwar, Jai Jai Swami. Now only that, hold it. You and I, if we know, and the reasoning is clear, the logic is clear, you drive on a highway that says 55 miles an hour, and if you know that a car has a radar to pick up every speeding car, you will not break the law, because breaking the law carries consequences. And if you know that, look at these words. Look at this word. Would you kindly say loud and clear? Would you say niyanta? Say that. He rules. Would you say dharata? Say that please. Dharata. He sustains. He upholds. People say gravity holds the earth as it spins around the sun. Who put the gravity there? Yesterday we were talking, I don't know where, I forget easily. My brother Bhai Chris was with me in a room, and he went out to go get a cup of coffee, and he came back in, and when he left and before he came in, I built a nice little Vedi, very beautifully decorated. And he came in, he said, oh my goodness, who decorated that? It was there. I told him, nobody did. It was there. He said, Bhai Satish, come on now. Somebody had to do it. I said, no, it was there. And he said, it couldn't be there. Somebody had to do it. And that's the same question that applies to the universe. People say it evolved. Yes, it did evolve. Who caused it to evolve? Unless you and I come to grips with the question, who did? Who caused it to evolve? Who made it the way it is? Don't tell me the way the Vedi didn't decorate itself. Some agent that we call in philosophy a gentle cause, nimitta karan, a gentle cause. Somebody had to make it possible. Unless you and I, whether in this lifetime or the one coming up, unless you and I come to grips with the fact that somebody is managing all of this, somebody arranged all of this, somebody fashioned and designed all of this with an objective and a purpose inside. And he put sun and moon and stars and earth filled with something called fertility to grow food, all with a purpose. That you can get your ladder and climb your ladder to a realm called mukti. Unless you come to grips with that in this lifetime, you have failed to make the mark. Are Jagat Niyanta, Jagat Niyanta, प्राणी मात्र के दुख का हरता,
जय ऋषिवर जय जय स्वामी,
जय ऋषिवर जय जय
स्वामी.
And unless you understand that, like a parent at home, showing you the escape mechanisms to run away from all your problems and to bring your problems to an end. You can't solve your problems. You need to connect to a higher power that will inspire you. And he wouldn't do it for you. You have a free will. You'd have to actually do that walk. You'll have to walk the talk yourself. But there's somebody who will let go a stream of inspiration that will do the talking to you to inspire you. But he wouldn't walk the talk for you. You have to walk. And that's a niyanta, that's a karata, and that's a dharata. It is he who rules, and it is he who sustains, and it is he who will show you the way to overcome your problems. That you need not be depressed. You need not feel afraid. You need not feel insecure. Go again. Are Jagat Niyanta,
Jagat Niyanta, Karta Dharta,
प्राणी मात्र के दुख का हरता,
जय ऋषिवर जय जय स्वामी,
भैया रे जय.
जय ऋषिवर जय जय
Aha,
स्वामी.
Before you leave your house in the morning, before you leave your house in the morning, do your deep breathing and say Om Bhu, Om Bhuvaha, Om Swaha. Say it with me. Om Mahaha, Om Janaha, Om Tapaha, Om
Satyam.
Those are all names indicative of God's qualities and functions. Bring him. He's here, but you and I are not aware. Accentuate the fact that he's on your inside. He's on your outside. Always. And you know what? Don't give him your back. He's still hugging you from behind, even though he's in front. And he wants you to turn around and face him. He wants you to turn around and face him. And you know what? Go home. Go home. And tell your God, so mati हमको दान कर. Satyat Prakash, Maharshi Dayanand, Satyat Prakash is telling you, go home and tell God, God, Lord of Light, give me the intelligence. Yam Medham Devagana, the intelligence that the yogis pray for. Give me a little portion of that intelligence. Intelligence that is beautiful, virtuous and incomparable. Intelligence that may not come with a PhD degree. Yes, PhD offers me a ton of information that I can use in a job and get a good salary. But that PhD will not offer me the kind of intelligence that you will offer me, God. The intelligence that the yogis pray for, that will establish connections on the inside. Intelligence that will connect me with that which is beautiful, that which is virtuous, and incomparably virtuous. Give me that intelligence, God. So mati humko daan kar.